Hi, Denise Clements with Hyde Tools, here to talk about Painter's Pyramid, new product we have out there to eliminate the stress out of your paint project. You know, we've all had that moment when we've painted something, a board, door, drawers, something, on a piece of paper. We've had to let it dry so that we could flip it over, paint the other side. Unfortunately, paper and paint don't work very well together, and what you end up with is a mess. It's okay. We've got Painter's Pyramid from Hyde. They can eliminate that mess. Very simply, paint your project. When you're ready, flip that project over. The very minimal non-contact points allow you to flip it over and continue painting that project. Right here, do the edges, let it dry, and you're on to your next project. No sticky paper mess, nothing else. They're made of high durable polypropylene plastic, hold up to 200 pounds. You got those bureaus and heavy doors that you want to put on there. No problem. They're also uniquely designed with holes that allow you to use them on sawhorses at the job site. You can strap these down onto your sawhorses, lay out those doors that for a new construction project perhaps, without worry that they'll move, and your project can be done in no time. Again, Hyde Painter's Pyramid. Don't start your paint project without them.